Hello and welcome, my dear kids. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So, I am back today with the first chapter of history, that is what, where, how, and when from your social studies portion. Children, if you will look this video for the first time, then do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can get all the regular updates on all the topics of social studies, that is history, civics and geography. In this video, you will find all the important NCERT question answers in a solved manner. I hope this video will really prove helpful to you. So without much wasting time, let's start the video. Now children, looking into question number 1, we have matched the following. The first one, the word that we have is Narmada Valley, which is related to hunting and gathering. Number 2, we have Magadha, which was the first big kingdom in its own time. Number 3, Garo Hills, which is related to early agriculture. Number 4, Indus and its tributaries, which is related to cities about 2500 years ago. And number 5, we have the Ganga Valley, that is related to the first cities. Question number 2. List one major difference between manuscripts and inscriptions. Manuscripts were written on the palm leaf or on specially prepared bark of a tree known as the birch. Inscriptions, on the other hand, are writings on relatively hard surfaces like stone or metal. They are engraved form of writing. In question number 3, there is a question which Rashida had in her mind. How could anyone know what had happened so many years ago? So the answer of this question is Rashida's question of how to know things about the very olden times has been established. We can know what had happened through number 1, manuscripts, number 2, inscriptions, number 3, archaeology, that is old objects recovered from excavations, and number 4, books on history in today's date. Question number 4. Make a list of all the objects that an archaeologist may find. Which of this could be made of stone? So let's look into the answer. A list of objects which an archaeologist may find are A. Remains of buildings, B. Tools, C. Weapons, D. Pots, and E. Ornaments. Continuing with the same question, F. Coins, G. Bones of birds, animals, and fish, etc. H. Paintings, I. Sculptures. Now let's look into the second part of the answer of this question. Which of this could be made of stone? So, buildings, tools, and sculptures could be made of stones. Question number 5. Why do you think ordinary men and women did not generally keep records of what they did? The answer goes like this. The ordinary men and women did not generally keep records of what they did, as they regarded it as a part of their daily routine and not anything important. Now let's look into question number 6. Describe at least 2 ways in which you think the lives of kings would have been different from those of farmers. So the two ways in which the lives of the kings would have been different from those of the farmers are: number one, kings lived in pomp and glory and they set up large kingdoms, whereas the farmers lived a meagre existence or hand-to-mouth existence. Number two, kings kept the records of their battles and victories, whereas the farmers, they did not keep the records of what they did. In question number 7, it is asked, list at least 5 different crafts that you know about today. Are the craft persons were men, women, or both men and women? So the various crafts that dominate the present life are: number 1, musicians; number 2, architects; number 3, industrialists; number 4, writers; number 5, actors; number 6, scientists; number 7, sports person; and number 8, artists. These craft persons were both men and women. Students, coming on to question number 8, what were the subjects on which books were written in the past? Which of this would you like to read? The answer goes like this: books written in the past dealt with all kinds of subjects like religious beliefs and practices, lives of kings, medicine, science, poetry, drama, and epics. And I would like to read Upanishads, Mahabharata, and Ramayana among these books, so that we can get a lot of information from these books. Dear students, if you like the video, do share your valuable comments, and also don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more updates on social studies. Thanks for watching and keep learning.